from ingredient to perfection. Food made right. Quality, safety, consistency.
Observe the stabilized, porous structure of this food product. A cutaway reveals the internal bubble formation process. Bubbles nucleate and expand, creating the final texture. The chocolate coating provides a smooth, solid finish. Inside, the porous cereal core delivers a satisfying crunch. This contrast creates the perfect texture. This X-ray inspection system scans products in real time. The X-ray beam penetrates the product stream, detecting density variations. Anomalies are flagged instantly, ensuring product quality.